Good morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are on the third video, okay, for the Kospet Smartwatch, Kospet Magic 4 Smartwatch, and this time we're going to install the support app for this wearable, okay. So we have here the smartwatch, and we have here the charging cable. What we need is the smartwatch and of course the user manual. Okay, so let's check and try to install the support app for this Magic 4 smartwatch. Okay, so again, this is in the Android smartphone. Okay, Android platform. So let's check. Okay, so let's look for the support app for this one. We have the Fit, okay, DA Fit support app. Okay, so it is available in Android 6.0 and iOS 9.0 and above platform. Okay, so let's try and install the support app. Okay, so let's check and search the Google Play Store. Where's the Google Play Store? Okay, okay, let's activate first the Bluetooth connectivity here as well as the GPS. Okay, okay, so let's go back. Already activated the GPS here as well as the Bluetooth, so we can continue the installation of the support app. Again, this tutorial, it's not exclusive only for the Kospet Magic smartwatch, but the steps is also the same with other smartwatches that is using the Fit app. Okay, as you can see here, it has over 5 million downloads, 8.3 MB, rated 3 plus. Okay, let's install. %, 79, and let's see. Okay, that's it. We are already on this installation, okay, process. Let's see and wait. So while wait, okay, that's it. Oh, so that's fast. Okay, it's now opening the app. As you can see here, beautiful screen display for the Kospet Magic 4. We have the power button here and the back button. Very slim bezel here, premium looking wearable, and it has a comprehensive list of sports mode. Okay, so it's time to open the app. Open. So it is asking for a profile here, so let's just leave it as it is. Okay, allow the Fit, okay, to access photos, media, and files on your device. Okay, so it is asking for a permission. Just allow it. Next. So there are no more permissions here. Okay, so this is the UI of your Fit app. So we have here the steps, sleep, and the sports here. Okay, you also have here the profile, goal settings you can set, and this is the place where you set your device, where you can link your device. As you can see here, you have not linked a device. You have not linked a device, so add device. So let's see. So allow Daffy to access this device location. Okay, so that is for your GPS. Just allow it. Okay, and as you can see here, it has already detected our smartwatch very fast. Okay, Magic 4. Okay, please select your smartwatch in the petition list. Okay, before selecting this one, let me add this to our tutorial. Let's see if we do have the QR code here. Okay, what if we lost our user manual? How can we install? If you know the app, just search it in the Google Play Store. If you're not familiar with the app, let's see if we can check it on the settings if we do have the QR code here. Okay, usually, okay, we do have here app download. Just tap on it and you can scan the QR code here. Okay, most of the smartwatches right now comes with a QR code of the app. Okay, you don't need the user manual anymore to learn or know the QR code or the app. Just check it on the settings of your smartwatch. Okay, so we have here the Magic 4. We already activated our Bluetooth and GPS. So now the next step is just tap on your smartwatch to add it to your device, and as you can see here, it is now connecting. And that's it, we are connected very fast. Okay, so let's see if we really do have a connection to our wearable. Okay, let's check this one, find device. Okay, so it is buzzing. Let me do it again. Okay, we have here these settings here, reminders to move, continuous heart rate notifications, control phone music, you can add that. We also have a battery saving here, language support. Ours is the default language is English. We have auto lock, drink water reminder, heart rate warning, weather, and we also have a feature for women. Okay, so let's check here. Okay, we also have the notification functions here. So if you want to receive call notifications, messages, and other notifications, especially from social apps like Facebook, Twitter, and WhatsApp, you can activate it here. Okay, so allow Daffy to access your phone logs, just allow it. Allow Daffy to make and manage phone calls, just allow it. Allow Daffy to access your contacts, just allow it. Okay, as well as SMS, you can read it on your smartwatch. Okay, let's just say Twitter and Facebook here. Let's enable. Okay, so this one, enable notification access. Okay, so Daffy will be able to read all notifications, including personal information such as contact names and text messages on your device. Okay, that's it, and Facebook. Okay, so that's the steps on how to connect or install the Daffy app for your Magic 4 smartwatch, Kospet Magic 4 smartwatch. The steps here is also applicable to other wearables that is using the Daffy app. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this wearable, please drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries. Again, watch out for our next video, okay, for the Magic 4 smartwatch. We're going to check on the watch faces for this wearable. Okay, we are hoping that we can download a lot of watch faces, quality watch faces for the Magic 4 smartwatch. Okay, so just check our next video, how to install or installation of watch faces for the Magic 4 smartwatch. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Goodbye.